Look up tonight, and there's a good chance you'll see it. Same spot it's been in for 4.5 billion years. But what if it just wasn't there? No moon. No tides pulling at the shore. No soft light on a dark night. Just us and an empty sky. Turns out, we might not be here to ask the question at all. First, a quick reminder of how we got a moon at all. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planet, scientists call it Theia, smashed into a very young Earth. The collision blasted a ring of molten debris into orbit. That debris clumped together, cooled, and became the moon. So in our what-if world, that collision either never happens, or it happens differently, and Earth ends up moonless. Earth doesn't just spin on a neat fixed axis. It tilts, about 23.5 degrees. And that tilt is why we have seasons. But a planet's tilt isn't naturally stable. Left alone, it drifts. The moon acts like a gyroscope, its gravity holding Earth's axis steady. Without it, models suggest Earth's tilt could swing wildly, anywhere from 0 to 85 degrees, over just a few million years. That's not a planet with seasons anymore. That's a planet where the poles might suddenly point at the sun. Imagine summer lasting a decade, followed by a decade of total darkness. Ecosystems wouldn't adapt. They'd collapse. No moon means dramatically weaker tides. The sun still pulls a little on the ocean, but it's about a third as strong as the moon's pull. Here's why that matters more than it sounds. Many scientists think tidal pools, those shallow zones exposed and flooded twice a day, were the testing ground for life, moving from ocean to land. Fish learned to survive brief exposure to air in tide pools, long before anything crawled onto a beach on purpose. Weaker tides means fewer of these transition zones. Life might have stayed in the water a lot longer, or never left at all. The moon has been quietly slowing Earth's spin for billions of years through tidal friction. Without it, our days would still be short. Scientists estimate somewhere around 6 to 8 hours long instead of 24. Faster spin means faster winds, more violent storms, and a very different climate. Picture hurricane-strength winds as just Tuesday. And then there's the obvious one. At night it's just dark. Really dark. No moonlight to navigate by, hunt by, or tell stories under. For early humans, moonlight mattered. Some researchers think lunar cycles even influenced ancient hunting patterns and migration timing. Take that away, and human history. How we track time, built calendars, told myths, looks completely different. No moon gods, no lunar calendars, no once in a blue moon. Here's the twist. Some scientists argue the moon didn't just shape Earth. It may have made complex life possible in the first place. Stabilized seasons, tidal zones for evolution's early experiments, even the length of a day, which affects how oxygen builds up in the atmosphere over time. Take the moon away, and you're not just changing the view. You might be removing one of the reasons intelligent life had the stable, predictable conditions it needed to evolve at all. So the real answer to what if Earth had no moon might not be a wilder world. It might be no one around to notice it. So next time you glance up and see it hanging there, that's not just decoration. That's the reason any of this is possible. If you like this one, you'll probably like previous video. I break down another what if that changes everything we take for granted. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.